Hi everyone, this is another video in my series of ammunition reloading and case preparation. This time I'm going to show you how I anneal my cases using a butane torch and essentially my fingers. I've seen people who use homemade machines, I've seen people who use water baths or expensive annealing machines, but I'm pretty cheap, and I think that the finger method is probably as good as any, as long as you're very careful, because these get hot, and if you're careful, I think you end up with a pretty good annealing result. So we'll fire this up. And I don't like to have a big flame. I hope that's coming through on the video. Alright, and there's my case. And all I do is I hold it at a little bit of an angle, just on the neck, just in front of the bright blue part of the flame, which is the hottest. I just sort of twirl it around in there, and you can hopefully see the case start to change colour and the flame start to change colour. And when it's too hot to handle, drop it in the water. And you can take them out, dry them off, and you can see just under the neck that the case has changed colour, and it hasn't travelled too far down the case because it became too hot to touch. That means you haven't superheated or overheated this part of the case, and that method has worked for me. I've been using some of these cases now for 8-9 times. I've never had a split neck or any other issue with cases, having to throw cases out because they've gone bad or cracked or split or anything like that. So it might not be the most scientific method in the world, or the most technical or expensive method in the world, but it's quick, it's cheap, and it works for me. Thanks for watching.